First, your strategy. Stick to the basics, BIE. Branded, insecurity, evergreen. Branded means building a real business, not like just selling random products like lava lamps and sticky balls. Insecurity means targeting emotional weakness, meaning weight loss, skincare, and beauty. Evergreen means that demand is always there, not relying on trends like dummies who do organic dropshipping. And I repeat, never do organic dropshipping. You're hoping a random video will go viral so you can make a few sales. That's not how business works. That's what I like to call a Shopify slot machine. What about winning products? Shapewear, supplements, and gummies. Use Calo data to find winners. How to fulfill orders, private Chinese supplier. Shipping times in just 7 days, use Skype to find them. What about branding? Keep the look clean. Make it catchy. Add store reviews to your site. Use Flare.ai to make custom product photos. Need more info? Watch here. These products don't die, they just stop working when your creatives die. Speaking of that, let's talk about ads. Because if they look high production, they probably won't work. Keep it simple. Hook, body, plus CTA. Always use intense emotion and language. Make sure your hooks are super aggressive. They make a bold claim and stop the scroll. The body builds up a story and backs up the hook. Use raw, authentic testimonials. CTA, make it easy for them to buy your product. Straight to product page, no homepage. Need examples? Watch these 3. Rip winning content and keep stitching hook, bodies, and CTAs together. Pair that while you're testing 5+ variations a day, and suddenly you're printing money. Need more info? Watch this. Making some money now? Good, time to scale. Hire a creative director. They will search for winning ad styles. Get UGC creators on retainer. Custom content for your brand daily. Hire editors. Create more and more ad variations. Keep testing different styles. Found a winner? Up the ad spend. Volume is the name of the game. Tested 10 styles? Test 100 now. Aim for at least a 2 ROAS. If your ROAS is too high, scale your ads. If your ROAS is too low, test more ads. Make variations of that, up the ad spend again. Making a lot of money now? Good, automate the business. Expand ad platforms. Exit your brand for millions. Rinse and repeat. Need more info? Watch this. Need motivation? You might need a mentor. Check the link in the description and get to work. Subscribe for the best dropshipping content on YouTube.
Beautiful morning.